In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a countdown timer on Instagram Stories. So if you want to create a timer for an upcoming event, birthday, holiday, or special occasion, then this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap the plus icon and choose Story. After that, select a photo or video from your gallery or capture new content using your camera. Once your content is loaded, tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen. A list of available stickers will appear. From here, select the countdown sticker. Now enter a name for your countdown, such as a birthday, vacation, event, or product launch. After that, choose the date and time when the countdown should end. You can also customize the appearance by tapping the available color options. Once you're happy with the timer, drag the countdown sticker to your preferred position on the story. You can also resize it using 2 fingers. When everything looks good, tap the arrow button and then select Share to post your story. And that's how you can add a countdown timer on Instagram Stories. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Instagram tutorials and tips.